5 persons A, B, C, D and E are pulling a cart of mass 100 kg on a smooth surface, and the cart is moving with an acceleration of 3 meter per second square in the eastward direction. Now taking the general convention over here, this is north, this is south, okay, this is east and this is west, okay. So basically taking the general convention, I will take the eastward direction, as positive I cap, that is in the positive x direction, the west direction as negative I cap, the north direction as positive j cap, and the southward direction as negative j cap, okay. The north direction is positive j cap and the southward direction is negative j cap. So there are 5 people pulling the cart. So let me write down the force vector FA vector plus FB vector plus FC vector plus FD vector plus FE vector is equal to, now it is clear that now whatever is the mass of the vehicle, okay, it is equal to, let it be equal to m into the acceleration. Now the acceleration over here when all 5 of them are pulling is 3 meter per second in the eastward direction. So basically it will be equal to 3 I cap, okay. I am not concerned with the mass of the vehicle for the time being, you will understand why later, but it will be equal to 3 I cap, okay. When person A stops, it means that FB vector plus FC vector plus FD vector plus FE vector, okay. When the person A stops, the rest of them are still pulling. The cart moves with the acceleration of 1 meter per second square in the west direction. The west direction is negative I cap, so it will be equal to negative I cap. When I subtract both of them, it will be equal to FA vector will be equal to 4m into I cap, okay. I will subtract both of them, 3 minus of minus 1, which will be equal to 4m I cap, okay. I got the value of FA, okay. It is given that when the person B stops pulling, similar to that part, when the person B stops pulling, it will be equal to FA, the B stops pulling, so it will be equal to FC plus FD vector plus FE vector will be equal to the cart moves as with the acceleration of 24 meter per second square in the northern side direction. So I can say 24 j cap will be the answer, okay. M into 24 j cap, okay. Again if I subtract both of them, it will be equal to, I will subtract this and the first equation, okay. So it will be equal to FB vector is equal to, when I subtract both of them, it will be equal to, M is common, 3 I cap minus 24 j cap, okay. The magnitude of the acceleration of the cart when only A and B are pulling. So basically they have asked when only A and B are pulling the cart, it will be equal to FA vector plus FB vector. So basically it will be equal to 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7 mass, okay, which is equal to 7 I cap minus 24 j cap, okay, 7 I cap minus 24 j cap. So now over here, this is the total acceleration of the body. The acceleration, if I only want the magnitude, it will be equal to root of 7 square plus 24 square, which will come out to be 7 square plus 24 square, which will come out to be 25, okay. 576 plus 49, it will come out to be 25. So the acceleration of the cart is 25 meter per second square. If I also want the direction, it is 7 I cap in the right hand side direction and minus 24 j cap. So if you see the direction, it is in the southeast direction, okay. So the answer will be equal to 25 meter per second square in the southeast direction, which is option number C.